Hey, what's going on, guys? Just about finished up all the decals on the Freewing airliner, and wanted to show it off a little bit. It's about 90% there. I still need to put the last set of windows on the other side, but other than that, she's about there. Uh, Elephant in the room, or kangaroo. That drape decal was just the bane of my existence. That is the most obnoxious thing I've ever had to put on an airplane. And the original set, this is the second set from Cali. The first set, I went with it. I did use the wet application, but I didn't put any cuts in it at all, and just tried to attach it. And that did not work at all. So I had to pull that off, order another set, and then I still need to take some red vinyl and clean up. You can kind of see some of those white lines where I did the cuts, but I put about 8 or 9 cuts from the middle vertically down. And it still fought me the whole way, but it's on there. So anyway, I never again. But other than that, they've all gone pretty easy. I just have to get a receiver in there, bind it up, do a taxi test, and she's going to fly. And if this thing goes in on the maiden, you'll probably witness a YouTube meltdown. Man, it took me an hour each side for that thing. Just squeegeeing it, cutting it, moving it. But it's done. Won't think about it anymore. Anyway, guys, coming soon. Just wanted to do an update. See ya.